Perigee is pushing aerospace manufacturing forward with its advanced electroformed regeneratively cooled combustor, a technology designed for high-performance engines used across the space, aviation, and defense industries. What makes this combustor stand out is the electroforming process. This manufacturing method allows engineers to create highly precise metal components with complex internal structures that would be difficult or expensive to produce using traditional techniques. The result is a component that combines exceptional strength, durability, and accuracy while remaining suitable for large-scale production. One of the biggest advantages of this technology is its regenerative cooling capability. By efficiently managing extreme temperatures inside an engine, the combustor helps improve overall performance, reliability, and operational efficiency. This is especially important for modern aerospace systems, where engines are expected to deliver maximum power while withstanding intense thermal stress. The technology has received significant recognition as well. It was recently designated as a Space New Technology by the Korea Aerospace Administration, highlighting its advanced engineering and its potential to support future aerospace innovation. Beyond its technical performance, the electroforming process also offers cost-effective and flexible production. Manufacturers can create complex designs with high consistency, making the technology attractive for a wide range of applications. Its potential uses extend across multiple industries. In the space sector, it can be integrated into launch vehicles and satellite propulsion systems. In aviation, it can support aircraft engines and advanced cooling solutions. Defense programs can benefit from its durability and precision, while industrial applications include heat exchangers and specialized equipment used in nuclear power systems. As aerospace technology continues to evolve, innovations like Perigee's electroformed regeneratively cooled combustor are helping pave the way for more efficient, reliable, and scalable propulsion solutions for the future.